That's fantastic. That'll make you want to kiss your mama.
Welcome to another episode of JoJo's Kitchen, and today we're going to prepare a fruit cake, what is known as a celebration cake, because I believe you can have it for any time during the year. But given that Christmas is around the corner, I thought I'd show you one of my favourite fruit cakes. And there's no nuts in a fruit cake, so it's only fruit. There are enough nuts around this house, believe me. Let's commence. You will need 500 grams of sultanas, 250 grams of raisins, 250 grams of dates. You will need 250 grams of mixed peel, 250 grams of cherries, and 125 grams of currants. So to begin with, you'll need to prepare the fruit, and I will leave these overnight. So you'll need to chop up your fruit, place it in a bowl with half a cup of alcohol. I've chosen Cointreau. You can use brandy, whiskey, or anything else, or Drambuie if you like. And let it soak overnight, and tomorrow we'll come back and we'll show you the next procedure. And I'll also leave the recipe with all the quantities down below, so you may follow them at your leisure. Welcome back to my kitchen again. As you can see, I've left the fruit to soak overnight in the alcohol. So we are ready to commence with the wet and dry ingredients to add to the fruit mixture. So you will need to line a 8-inch, 20 centimeter deep square tin, or round if you prefer. And we will start with the ingredients first, so you know what we're using, and then I'm just going to go straight into it. All the recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, so we're going to need 250 grams of butter, 5 eggs. We're going to need 1 cup of brown packed sugar, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We need 1 3/4 cup of plain flour and 3/4 cup of self-raising flour, sifted. All the dry ingredients need to be sifted. We commence with the butter and sugar and the eggs. Add 1 egg at a time until all the mixture is mixed thoroughly. Then you can begin to add that to your wet mixture, and then your dry ingredients will be added. And bake at 130 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. Possibly 3.5 depending on your oven. Mine's fan forced. So, and to do the test, just stick a skewer in it, and if it comes out clean, then you know it's cooked. Okay, we shall begin. Once you bring it out of the oven, 2 tablespoons of the alcohol, brush it.
Actually, I reckon we can cut it tonight. I'm hungry and looking forward to a piece.
Can't have it tonight, sorry. Okay, once you've brushed your 2 tablespoons of alcohol extra, cover it up with some baking paper. And what you want to do is let it cool down till it's completely cool down, and we will wrap it up with Glad wrap and then foil and put it in a dark spot, and you can start eating it in a week's time if you want to, but we're saving it for Christmas.
No one, gosh, we're going to have it in a week's time.
Well, enjoy, and I hope you get the chance to make it some stage.
And Ruby's the star. Hi, Ruby.
She's always the star. Bye, folks.